Skip a chunk of code if a condition is true in Python. I am writing a workflow which contains many steps, say 100. After each step, I want to check if a condition is true. If true, then skip all steps left and go to the next level. If it goes all the way to the step 100, then go to the next level as well. I can think of using a for loop with one iteration. This seems fine, but is there a better way without the loop and jump to next level directly? It will be helpful if there are again this kind of structures within these steps, and I don't want to break many layers of loops to get to the next level.
If you really do have 100 steps, that would become a very long unreadable code. Another option is to pack steps/conditions into lists. Of course, if you only have one global condition as in your example, the conditions list is not necessary and you can just loop the steps. The code can also be further reduced in that case too.
I suggest an idea-based OR operator, statements executed until first is true. Here is an example. A function can accomplish that.